like rodeo. Really round, driving me wild. And she gon' ride me like a rodeo. Really round.
We're going to the Dallas Aquarium. First, had to get Starbucks. Go to. We made it. Now we just have to figure out where to go.
Yeah.
We're at the aquarium.
Let's do it.
We made it.
Hey, outside.
That's really cool in here. Waterfalls. What's in here? Little monkeys.
Oh shit. Yeah, they put you in a cage. What's that?
Look how long their legs are.
Their foot is bigger than their whole body. Look, Sonny, look. See right there? Where's the crocodile?
Yoo-hoo! Look at him. That's a big guy. That is a big guy. It's so cool in here. There's so many different animals, literally, just living around you. You see the rat right there?
Rat?
Yes. Do you see him? Right here in the crack. Like there's a little hole right there.
Oh, like outside the thing?
Yes. Like
he
he
was
was
not supposed to be here.
No, like he was somebody's dinner. You see him right there?
Oh yeah.
Vampire bat?
Yeah. Get that picture up here, right? No flash, no flash. Oh, the albino airheimer.
See the turtles?
Turtles and the fish.
It's having so much fun. So much to see. Now we're gonna go in this shop and find him a little souvenir. Whoa, look at all that stuff. What you want, Sonny? Huh? Penguin. Whoa. You like that one?
No.
Oh. What you think about that one? Whoa. Okay, camo shark.
Nah, don't put it in your mouth.
Oh. You scared him. Look at all the stuffies. Trying to figure out how to get out. Hi. How cool! is penguins.
Yeah, name. That's the octopus playing with the ball.
What?
Big boy.
Completed the aquarium. Look! It definitely was a lot to see. I would recommend though.
First birthday dinner, son. What
Right.
you try first?
Chris and John.
Chris and John.
This is what we got going. This is what we got going. I tried these a little bit.
A whole lot.
What do you think?
Chicken, pretty decent so far. A nice sweet tangy taste to it.
What you think? I don't even know what's what.
He just said eat, he didn't tell us what.
It's currently the next day, y'all. It's 10:53 in the morning. And my son is still sleeping. We had such a long day yesterday. We went to the aquarium and then we went to eat. And then we went like shopping. We went to H Mart. Had a long day. We really didn't get home till like 2 in the morning. On the way home, we drove through a storm and it was flash flood warnings and literally 0 visibility. So it was a lot going on. My son slept the whole way, which was good. But Big Mama did not sleep. Big Mama was scared, okay? I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys for tuning in. And I will see y'all next video. Bye.